Again, in this case, you want to take care of your demo. You want to take care of your structural repairs. Make sure your foundation is good. Make sure there's no significant termite damage, any of the supporting beams. Now in this case, obviously you would be taking on a full rehab. Full rehabs can be hard to assess, especially when you account for the amount of manpower and labor that goes into these things. But to keep the numbers flush, I usually just square it away and say $40 per square foot, maybe slightly above depending on the situation. So here, obviously when you're doing a house, you want to start up and work your way down, right? And then work your way outside of the house. So any property, whether it be a 2-story, single story, whatever the case might be, you always want to start at the top. So in this case, obviously the ceiling, right? Or starting with the roof, because the roof needs to be replaced. Obviously that's your first line item that you're going to do before you come down and do anything under that. That way you're not compromising any of the work that's getting done. After you have the roof in place, you have your structure secure, then you can go ahead and start, in this case on the ceiling. You can see these exposed beams. We obviously need to put some new sheetrock here. Make sure anything's enforced that might have been damaged from the fire. Top your insulation on top and start working down. So again, in this case, you want to take care of your demo. You want to take care of your structural repairs. Make sure your foundation is good. Make sure there's no significant termite damage, any of the supporting beams. With the fire here, obviously, you want to come in and make sure that you have a licensed contractor, go through it, make sure everything's up to code so you're good to go. After that demolition, structure repairs, starting from the top, working down, right? Paint always goes before your flooring. After your flooring is down, you'll go to your appliances, light fixtures, appliances, all that stuff. Kitchen upgrades, drop the granite, so on and so forth. Once you seal it up, you're done inside, boom, move on to the outside so you can facilitate work on the landscaping, get the outside where it needs to be. So let's take a quick look. This side, you can see they started some drywall repairs. So this homeowner obviously at one point in the stage decided they wanted to come in, start fixing this up, possibly get it rent ready or ready to sell. And obviously they got caught in the weeds. See this outdated 1970s kitchen, super old countertops, cabinets throughout. A lot of this should be probably torn out, demoed, put some new cabinets so you can start on a fresh palette. But when you look at it, it really does have beautiful bones. It's a nice solid brick house throughout. You got this old fireplace that with a little bit of vision you could repurpose, maybe throw some paint over it, give it like an accent color, a light gray or blue depending on your theme. Somewhat of an open floor plan. You see the living area opens up to the kitchen. You got space to play, entertain guests, 2-car garage outside. And it really is a beautiful neighborhood as you look around. You can see all the houses around it are well maintained. So it is a good stable area for whoever wants to pick this thing up. So we'll keep you guys updated on the progress. Again, this is going to be a quick in and out. Our acquisition on this was $27,000. Once we sell it, hopefully we can double that amount, sell it off to an investor real quick and still leave enough meat on the bone for them to maximize their equity position. I'll see you guys on the other side. Get out there, stay consistent, and work towards constant and never-ending improvement so you can get 1% better each and every day. See you guys soon.